Welcome to the next instalment of the embroidery tutorial series, where we are decorating a Sophie's Garden tote bag while showing you a variety of different embroidery stitches. In this video we are looking at blanket stitch and we'll be using 3 strands of embroidery floss. To begin with, get your thread ready and tie it off on the back, or put a knot at one end of your 3 strands of floss. As you can see, I'm using a loop method so that I don't have a knot. So with the blanket stitch, we will be filling in the triangular pyramid shapes on the tote bag, and we'll be using the lines of the triangular pieces as our guidelines for making a blanket stitch. I'll be using the top right hand line for my point A. Point B will be at the bottom of a triangular space, and point C will be the top left hand part of the line. So a blanket stitch is a linear stitch and it gives a great definition to any line work and is usually used to neaten up an edge, but looks quite effective on this tote bag. So to make a blanket stitch, you're going to bring your needle up at point A. So with my example, that's the top right hand line. And then we're going to take it down again at point B, which is at the bottom of one of the triangular spaces at the bottom of a black line, and then come up directly below our thread at point C. So you'll see that I've kept the thread out of the way and I'm bringing the needle up just beneath the thread, and then pull it tight and it makes the thread come over the top of the thread that you had in place. So once again, we bring the needle up at point A, which is the top of a right hand black line. Take it down again at point B, which is at the bottom of the next black line, and bring it up again immediately at point C, which is the top left hand line, and pull it tight. I'm going to continue repeating this until we get to the end of our thread and we need to tie off. So what we do is we anchor the final loop with a small stitch. I tend to do it in making my thread go over the top of my last stitch and putting my needle down at the same point that I've just brought it up, tie it off on the back, and then to continue with a new thread, I'll bring it up again at that last point so that I'm still at the top right hand line to start again and continue round. Good luck. I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and I hope that you take something away from it and do something really pretty with blanket stitch. If you have any comments or questions or any feedback, please put them in the comments below the video and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you once again. If you're enjoying this series of videos, please click the subscribe button. And for an extra measure, click the bell to receive notifications. And you can even follow us on patreon.com. Look for Unravel and Unwind. I'll put the links in the description below for you.